Here's one of our most popular trailers here at 4-Star. It's a 2+1. This trailer is loaded up, a lot of options, polished top rails, slats, air ride, but also has our AS Clean Coat, what we call our 2.0 version. We've been using this Clean Coat since 2017. It's an exclusive, only 4-Star offers this. Looks like mill finish, but it's a what we call Clean Coat. It's got a coating on there, makes it very easy to clean up, and you won't get streaks and stains like you do from acid on mill finish. Also have our easy lift ramp, one on the side and the rear. Got a dressing room. Also have a bulkhead wall door here. This trailer has our worm flooring, full length here. Also has our Quiet Ride stud doors. That's why we like the Quiet Ride, is it don't have any sound of rattling going on. Got holders that holds them to the wall. Then our Quiet Ride button breast bars. Here on our Quiet Ride, this is what makes it all a Quiet Ride, is these cones that are going into a tapered seat. This is what we have patented. This divider also, so if you drop these down, a few other features here. This divider has a Quiet Ride removable baby panel. And this divider also rolls to the wall. Every one of our trailers also comes with a little tool. If you have problems with your strength in your fingers, you can use that tool to operate these cones. It'll be in your packet that comes with your trailer. So then you just push this divider over to the wall, and we got settings here on the wall. Locks it into place. Use it as a 2-box stalls, whatever. Makes it a very universal trailer. Another exclusive feature at 4-Star is on our wall rubber. It's called Gator Hide, and they offer a lifetime replacement warranty on our wall rubber. Check us out here at 4-Star.